Hey there, Auto Insider family. Today we're diving into an SUV that's built for adventure, but designed for the everyday driver. The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport. Whether you're hitting the trails or commuting through the city, this versatile vehicle is ready for whatever you throw at it. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Bronco Sport stand out. First off, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Bronco Sport keeps that iconic Bronco look with a boxy athletic stance, bold grille, and signature round headlights. But don't let its rugged appearance fool you. This SUV is just as at home in the urban jungle as it is on the trail. With 17-inch wheels, optional all-terrain tires, and that unmistakable Bronco silhouette, this ride definitely makes a statement. Step inside and you'll find a cabin that blends comfort with practicality. The Bronco Sport seats 5, with plenty of headroom and legroom for everyone. And let's not forget the cargo space. There's 65.2 cubic feet of it, with the rear seats folded down, which is perfect for those weekend getaways or hauling gear for your next adventure. Plus, with Ford's Sync 4 infotainment system, an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, you're always connected. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Ford Bronco Sport comes with 2 engine options. The base engine is a 1.5-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder, delivering 181 horsepower, perfect for your daily drive. But if you're looking for more power, there's a 2.0-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder option, 250 horsepower, which gives you that extra punch when you need it. One of the standout features of the Bronco Sport is its off-road capability. With standard 4x4 on all trims, the Bronco Sport can tackle rough terrain with confidence. Add in the Geo-At modes, go over any terrain, and you can choose from up to 7 different drive modes to adapt to whatever conditions you're facing, whether it's snow, sand, or mud. And of course, safety is a priority. Bronco Sport comes packed with Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite of driver assist technologies. That means you get features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, and more. Whether you're off-road or in traffic, you've got peace of mind. So, whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who just loves a versatile, stylish SUV, the 2025 Ford Bronco Sport delivers. It's rugged, capable, and equipped with all the modern tech you need for both adventure and everyday life. If you're looking for a compact SUV that can do it all, this is one to consider. Thanks for watching, Auto Insider fam. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment below. What do you think of the 2025 Bronco Sport? See you in the next one.